Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the 10 most common idioms for IELTS speaking and writing which could drastically improve your score. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand what actually an idiom is. It's a phrase or an expression that generally has non-literal meaning, which means that meanings of these phrases cannot be concluded by their words. Take for example, a whale of time. If we look at the actual words of this phrase, which includes a whale, which is apparently the biggest mammal on the earth, and from that sense, we can assume its meaning to be a lot of time. However, its actual meaning is to have a lot of fun while doing something. For example, I had a whale of time in the previous summer with my friends when we went for a vacation to a hill station. Mastering the idiomatic language could significantly enhance your IELTS score. With that being said, let's start with the idiom number 1, over the moon, which means extremely happy or delighted. For example, I was over the moon when I finally scored band 8 in IELTS test. An arm and a leg. Very expensive. For example, buying a house in the modern times costs an arm and a leg because of the prevailing inflation. A piece of cake or a cakewalk. It means very easy. For example, part 1 questions in the IELTS exam are generally a piece of cake as compared to other 3 parts. Under the weather. To feel sick or being unwell. For example, we had to call off the meeting as our boss could not attend it as he was feeling under the weather. Jump the gun. Start too early. I always jump the gun whenever I'm about to start something exciting. Found my feet. To become comfortable in what you're doing. For example, I finally found my feet after switching my job as it was back-breaking for me to work relentlessly in rotational shifts. Work against the clock. It means in a great hurry. For example, our team was working against the clock as the project deadline was approaching. Take a rain check. To politely decline an offer that you may take up later. For example, my friends invited me for a vacation last weekend, but I took a rain check as I had some other commitments. Make ends meet. To earn just enough money to live on. For example, number of people struggling to make ends meet doubled during the pandemic. Raining cats and dogs. When it's raining really hard. For instance, as soon as I left for my exam, it started raining cats and dogs, and I could not reach my center on time. So guys, these were 10 most commonly used idioms for IELTS. Do let me know in the comments below how many of them did you know. Now, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe my channel, because in this way I get encouraged to make more and better content for you. I also recommend you to watch my IELTS speaking and listening series in order to improve your score in those modules. This is the end for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep practicing.